Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Gentler Streak account on your phone. So to create an account, the first thing you need to do is download it on the Google Play Store or App Store and click on it. I'm currently using an iPhone to show how this is done, but it's exactly the same on your Android. So the first thing here, you just need to fill in some things such as your name, email, those kind of things. But first you need to actually allow access to Health. So you're just going to click on connect to Health. And what you're now going to do is you're going to click on turn on all and you're going to click on allow. This is necessary for the app to track your health. And this includes if you're using it with an Apple Watch. Now you can keep up your momentum by enabling reminders and notifications. You can enable them if you want. I'm just going to click on skip and click on don't allow. Now we're almost there. Just click on let's go and we're now right here. So what we're now going to do is we're going to simply look at the screen right here, and we can now see that we're already in the app. You don't need to fill in your email, you don't need to fill up anything actually. And now you can just start using the app. You have insights right here, activities, well-being and streak. And here of course you can track your streak. We can see there's some premium things going on, but it's completely free to use. So that's how you can create a Gentler Streak account over on your phone. If you learned something from this video, I'd highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.